In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge lists in ActiveCampaign. If you're managing multiple contact lists and want to consolidate them into one, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and efficient. First, let's start by accessing the Lists section within ActiveCampaign. You'll want to navigate to the Contacts menu, where you'll find the Lists option. This is where all your contact lists are housed. Next, click on the source list. This is the list you're planning to merge from. Once you've selected your source list, ActiveCampaign will show you the active contacts by default. Now, what you'll need to do is look for the Edit All button. Clicking this will enable you to make bulk changes to your contact data, which is crucial when merging lists. After you've entered the bulk edit tool, you'll be met with a few different options. Here, you'll want to choose the option to Add to a List. This is the command that merges your contacts into your desired destination list. When you're prompted, select the destination list, the list you want all your contacts from the source list to be combined into. This step is vital as it determines where your data will end up, ensuring it is properly organized and accessible. Now, here's an optional but valuable tip. Consider adding a tag to these contacts. You can use tags to track where your contacts initially came from, which can be incredibly useful for your future email campaigns or any segmentation-related activities. To do this, simply add a tag in the bulk edit tool that denotes the source of these contacts. Maybe something like source list name will do. This additional layer of information can help you maintain clarity over your contact origins and aid in better targeted communication. Having set your list and, if chosen, your tagging preferences, you're ready to finalize the changes. Click on Apply Changes to proceed. You'll encounter a confirmation pop-up, which acts as an assurance step to prevent any accidental alterations. Here, you need to verify that everything is correct, and once confirmed, simply click OK to finalize the task. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully merged your lists in ActiveCampaign. This streamlined process not only saves time, but enhances your contact management strategy by consolidating your data efficiently. Keep this method in mind whenever you're managing multiple lists, and you'll find maintaining your contact lists to be a more manageable task. Thank you for joining me today, and happy list merging.